Do you want to know how to make her miss you badly? Well, you're in the right place. Intrigued? You should be. We're about to embark on a journey that will unravel the mystery of making someone long for your presence. It's an art, a science, a dance of emotions that, when mastered, can lead to deeper connections and stronger relationships. Why would you want to make a woman miss you, you might ask? It's simple. When someone misses you, it means you've left an imprint in their life. It means you've created memorable moments, moments that she cherishes and replay in her mind when you're not around. It means you're important to her. You matter. It's about making your presence so impactful your absence is profoundly felt. And today we're going to show you how to do just that. Stay tuned as we dive into the 10 proven tricks to make her miss you like crazy. Trick number 1, show your value. You see, demonstrating your worth isn't about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the subtle nuances that paint a vivid picture of who you are. Think of it this way. You are a brand, and every interaction is a chance to market yourself. Let's delve into this a bit more. Be independent. Show her that you can stand on your own 2 feet. This isn't about distancing yourself, but about showcasing that you are self-reliant and capable. Next, be confident. Confidence is magnetic and can draw people towards you. It shows that you believe in yourself, and that's incredibly attractive. Lastly, be successful. Success doesn't have to mean a high-powered job or a hefty bank account. It could be about achieving personal goals or simply striving to be the best version of yourself. Remember, you're a catch, and she needs to see that. Moving on to trick number 2, give her space. You see, space is like oxygen for the flame of longing. It's the room for her thoughts to wander back to you, the silence for her to hear the echo of your laughter. But how do you give her space without seeming distant or uncaring? It's all about balance. Here's a suggestion. Keep engaging with her, but also ensure she has her own time. This isn't about ignoring calls or being unavailable. It's about respecting her individuality, her need for solitude or time with others. Show her that you trust her and value her independence. Remember, it's not about creating a void, but rather an opportunity for her to miss you, a moment for her to realize how your presence adds to her life. So give her the space she needs. Let her have her own time, and she'll start missing you and hers. Trick number 3, be unpredictable. We're not suggesting you become a wild card or a loose cannon. No, we're talking about a carefully crafted unpredictability, the kind that keeps you interesting, that keeps her on her toes. It's about breaking the monotony, adding a dash of surprise to the mix. Imagine one day you're discussing the complexities of quantum physics. The next you're planning an impromptu picnic under the stars. Or one moment you're the reserved listener, the next you're the life of the party. This unpredictability makes you an enigma, a puzzle she'd want to solve. It's like a good book she can't put down because she wants to know what happens next. But remember, this doesn't mean being inconsistent or unreliable. You've got to strike a balance. Be unpredictable in your actions, but dependable in your character. Keep her guessing and she'll keep thinking about you. Trick number 4, leave something behind. This is a subtle yet effective way to keep yourself on her mind. Imagine this. She wakes up in the morning and there on her nightstand is a book you left, a book you both discussed passionately. It's an immediate reminder of you, your shared interests, your conversations. Or perhaps it's a hoodie, your scent subtly lingering, offering a sensory reminder of your presence. It's not about leaving your stuff intentionally. It's about creating opportunities for her to think about you, to miss you. A favorite mug, a pair of headphones, a unique keychain. These are just suggestions. It's all about leaving something that is distinctly you. This is a non-invasive way to remain a part of her day, even when you're not physically present. Leave a little piece of you with her and she'll be reminded of you constantly. Halfway through with trick number 5, keep things light and fun. Now this one's a no-brainer, but it's often overlooked. A sense of humor is a universal language. It's the glue that holds conversations together and the spark that ignites attraction. When you're with her, let your wit and charm shine. Make her laugh, share intriguing stories, play fun games. Be the guy who can turn a mundane day into a memorable one. Why does this work? Because it's simple. We all seek out pleasure and avoid pain. When you're the source of joy, laughter, and positivity, she'll associate those feelings with you. And when you're not around, she'll miss the happiness and excitement you bring. But remember, it's not about being a clown. It's about being genuine. Genuine laughter, genuine joy. These are the things that create a lasting connection. Be the source of good vibes and she'll crave your presence. On to trick number 6, Show interest in her life. This one is crucial, folks. Showing interest in her life makes her feel valued, loved, and importantly, seen. This doesn't mean you should turn into a detective, but rather be genuinely curious about her dreams, her passions, her fears, and her joys. Ask about her day and listen to her stories. Show enthusiasm for her achievements and offer comfort during her struggles. Discuss her favorite book or the latest movie she enjoyed. Ask about her childhood memories or her hopes for the future. Remember, it's not about prying or being nosy, it's about creating a space where she feels heard, understood, and appreciated. Genuine interest fosters connection, and that connection can make her miss you when you're not around. So invest time in understanding her world, her experiences, and her perspectives. Show her you care, and she'll want to share more moments with you. Trick number 7, be a good listener. Often overlooked, this trick is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Listening is more than just hearing words. It's about understanding, empathizing, and responding in a way that shows you genuinely care. When she's talking, give her your undivided attention. Put away distractions and focus on her words, her expressions, her emotions. Ask thoughtful follow-up questions, show empathy, and validate her feelings. This will make her feel heard, appreciated, and valued. It's not just about making her miss you, but also about building a deeper, more meaningful connection. Remember, a good listener not only hears with their ears, but also with their heart. So the next time she's talking, listen with intent. Be there for her, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally as well. Listen to her words, and she'll listen to her heart that misses you. Almost there with trick number 8, maintain good hygiene. It's simple, yet often overlooked. Good hygiene is one of the building blocks of attraction. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good and exuding confidence. And let's be real, nobody wants to be around someone who doesn't smell pleasant. So how do you maintain good hygiene? Start with the basics: regular showers, using a good quality deodorant, brushing and flossing your teeth daily. Keep your nails clean and trimmed. Invest in a good skincare routine. And don't forget your hair. Regular trims and a good shampoo can make all the difference. But remember, maintaining good hygiene is not just for her, it's for you too. It boosts your self-esteem, improves your health, and simply makes you feel good. So gentlemen, it's time to step up your game. Smell good, look good, and she'll remember how good you are. Trick number 9, be supportive. Being supportive is one of the most powerful ways to make her miss you. It's not about solving every problem she has, but standing by her side as she navigates her own challenges. You can offer advice when she asks, or simply provide a listening ear when she needs to vent. Show empathy towards her feelings and reassure her that she's capable of handling whatever life throws her way. Being supportive also means cheering her on in her endeavors, celebrating her accomplishments, and comforting her during tough times. It's about strengthening her belief in herself and boosting her confidence. However, remember to strike a balance. You don't want to come across as overbearing or too pushy. Let her know you're there for her, but give her the space to tackle her own battles. This way, your support becomes a comforting presence she'll long for in your absence. Be her rock, and she'll miss your support when you're not around. And finally, trick number 10, stay true to yourself. This is perhaps the most crucial one of all. Authenticity is a magnet. It's attractive because it's rare. In a world where people often bend and twist their persona to fit into the mold of what they think others want, being true to yourself is refreshing. Authenticity resonates with people on a deep subconscious level. It's real, it's raw, and it's quite simply you. Remember, the goal here isn't to become someone else just to make her miss you. It's about allowing her to miss the person that you genuinely are. If you change yourself, you'll attract people who are interested in the person you're pretending to be, not the person you truly are. When you stay true to yourself, you allow her to miss the unique, irreplaceable individual that is you. In the end, it all comes down to this: be genuine, and she'll miss the real you. So there you have it, folks, the 10 proven tricks to make her miss you badly. Let's take a quick jaunt down memory lane, shall we? First, we talked about showing your value. Remember, it's all about being confident in who you are and what you bring to the table. Then we touched on the importance of giving her space. Absence, as they say, does make the heart grow fonder. Next up was unpredictability. Keep her on her toes, keep her guessing. It's all about maintaining that spark of excitement. We also mentioned the trick of leaving something behind. A small personal item can work wonders as a reminder of you. Keeping things light and fun was our next tip. Humor and joy are key elements in any relationship, so keep that smile on your face and that laughter in your voice. We then moved on to showing interest in her life. Be curious, be interested, be involved. It shows you care. Good listening, our seventh trick, is a skill that cannot be overemphasized. It's not just about hearing, it's about understanding. Maintaining good hygiene was our next piece of advice. A clean, well-groomed appearance is always attractive. Being supportive, our ninth trick, is vital. Be her rock, be there for her in times of need, and lastly, but certainly not least, stay true to yourself. Authenticity is attractive. Be real, be you. Now I encourage you all to try these tricks. Put them into practice and see the magic unfold. Remember, every relationship is unique, so feel free to tweak these tricks to suit your personal style and situation. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey today. If you found this video helpful and would like to explore more such content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, make them miss you.